Welcome to the Yes or No English Podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today we're practicing at the hospital sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
I walk to the hospital.
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 I see the big hospital building.
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 I open the main door.
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 I go to the reception desk.
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 I tell my name to the nurse.
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 I sit in the waiting room.
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 I wait for the doctor.
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 The nurse calls my name.
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 I walk to the doctor's room.
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 The doctor asks about my health.
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 I tell my problem to him.
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 The doctor checks my temperature.
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 The doctor checks my blood pressure.
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 The doctor writes a prescription.
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 I take the prescription paper.
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 I go to the pharmacy counter.
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 I give the prescription to the pharmacist.
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 The pharmacist gives me medicines.
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 I pay for the 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 medicines.
I put the medicines in my bag.
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 I say thank you to the pharmacist.
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 I leave the hospital.
I leave the hospital.
I leave the hospital.
I leave the hospital.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I take my medicine on time.
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 I feel better very soon.
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 Wonderful. You just practiced 25 at the hospital sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.